Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Z-Hop in PrusaSlicer. So yeah, right here we have two methods. So one is for whole printer and then one is just for specific material. So we will start with for the whole printer. So what we are going to do, we will use this option if we want Z-Hop to apply to almost everything. So click on the printer settings tab at the very top of your screen. Then in the left column, click on extruder 1. So we need to find that if we have it. Okay, sorry, not under the print settings, but we need to go to the printers. So this is the basically the fourth tab here at the top. Then we will select here extruder 1, as I said before. And now we need to find here retraction or travel lift. So this section right over here. And we need to find the box labeled lift, lift Z or lift height. So in travel lift, we have it right here, the green one, like so. Now what we can do here is, if you have checked this use emptying lift, we will need to uncheck this, and we can now set a value between 0.2 millimeters and 0.4 millimeters. This one is recommended. Now, for specific materials, so certain materials needs different Z-hop settings. For example, sticky materials like PHTG can trail strings if the nozzle lifts straight up, so you might want to lower or disable it for that filament. So click on the filament settings tab at the top of the screen, and in the left column click on filament overrides. So filament overrides, look at the right side of the screen and check the box next to lift Z under the retraction section. So we have it where it is. So we have the same here, travel lift, lift height, and it's right over here. You will see this number and we can change it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next